Jungle Jane and the Case of the Wiggly Waterfall, a magical story from Jungle of HipHipHooray. Hi there, and welcome to our jungle. This isn't just a story, it's a moment to laugh, to imagine, and to feel the joy of learning. I created these stories with love for every curious little heart that wants to explore, giggle, and grow. So find a cozy spot, take a deep breath, and let's begin today's adventure together. Hip hip hooray, we learn our way. In the heart of Hip Hip Hooray jungle, where coconuts bounce like basketballs and parrots tell jokes all day, something very unusual was happening. I just saw something wiggling behind the waterfall. Um, what if, um, what if it's a banana ghost? I've heard one of those. They peel themselves and moan. There is no such thing as banana ghost, Zippy. But something is definitely back there. Everyone looked at the great wiggly waterfall, which had started humming a strange tune. Sounds like a challenge. Sounds like I should be home sipping my leaf tea. Being brave doesn't mean not being scared. It means doing the right thing even when you're scared. Jungle Jane took a deep breath. Her knees were a little wobbly, but her heart was steady. I'm going in, even if it's a banana ghost. I've got my courage and I've got my jungle friends. So she stepped behind the waterfall and gasped. It's, it's a baby turtle stuck in a spaghetti wine. Oh, thank goodness! I thought it was a jungle jellyfish invasion. Jesus, and I had already written my goodbye note. Together, the team pulled the turtle free. He blinked and gave a tiny smile. Thanks. I was doing turtle yoga and got tangled. Next time, maybe try yoga without noodles. So remember, being brave doesn't mean you don't feel afraid. It means you go forward anyway, especially to help someone, even a turtle doing jungle yoga. If your heart's shaking, you help anyway. That's real bravery. Unless it's a banana ghost, then call me later.